Alright, this is metal. That. Here's the second one. Instructions. The third one, and all the components such as the casters and pieces that separate it and keep it upright. So let me pull this out real quick. Alright, so here's the instructions. Screwdriver, 4 casters. I'm going to open this up real quick. Alright, so the 4 casters, the spanner or wrench, however you want to call it, 10 small bolts, 6 of those, 6 more of those. So this is going to be the first step. I'm going to get my screwdriver. Alright, so you got the 2 pieces, you put them together, put the screws. And then these bottom pieces go together like this. Put a screw there, times 2. Do that real quick. I put these together. This will be the base. Put it like that. Get this, as you can see, the 2 holes here, 2 holes there. You'll slide it. Like that. Put the 2 bolts here, opposite side. So let me do that real quick. Alright, once you have it in place, these become pretty stable. And you slide this in. You get a piece like this. Find the screw and then put those in. So I'll do that real quick. Alright, so here's the first one. And then what you do is spanner, close side, like that. And on both sides, and I'm gonna do the rest of this, and I'll show it after the final product. Here it is after tightening it down. Now I'm just going to put those on, which you screw in on each side. So the last step, you put the casters on the open end of the spanner, and you would tighten it. Loosen, tighten. And there is your Raskog, if I said it correctly.